In this video, I'll show how to transfer money from Bybit to Revolut. So to do this, first open the Revolut app, go to crypto and then tap receive. Currently, Revolut only supports Bitcoin deposits. Other coins like Ethereum or USDT aren't supported yet. So you need to send only Bitcoin for this method to work. Copy the wallet address provided by Revolut here. Make sure the network says Bitcoin, not any other. Now open the Bybit app and go to the Assets tab. If you hold Bitcoin, you will see it listed there. For now, I'll click on Ethereum, but use Bitcoin yourself. Paste your Revolut address in the wallet address field. Choose the BTC network matching Revolut's requirement. Now pick how much you want to transfer from Bybit. Once ready, press withdraw and wait for the deposit. And that's how to send crypto from Bybit to Revolut. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again. See you in the next walkthrough.